Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your microphone appears in Audacity and sample rate matches your audio interface. Open Preferences Devices and pick the exact input. Next, go to your operating system, sound settings, and disable exclusive mode so Audacity can't be cut off. Make sure the same device is set as default. Once done, create a new project, choose the correct recording channel, and arm recording so signals route cleanly into Audacity without added latency. Now you adjust how Audacity talks to your hardware. In Preferences Devices, select Audacity on Windows or a CO if you have a compatible driver. These reduce latency compared to MME. Then open Preferences Recording and reduce the buffer size. Try 256 or 128 samples. Smaller buffers lower delay but increase CPU load. Make sure the project sample rate matches your interface, for example 44, 100 or 48, 000 HC, because mismatches force resampling and add latency. Once set, test with a quick recording to measure delay. Finish by measuring and compensating for remaining latency. Record a short clap or beep through your mic while monitoring direct output. Measure the sample offset between input and expected alignment. Enter that value in Preferences Recording Latency Compensation so Audacity automatically shifts recorded tracks into sync. Make sure to save your project and export with the correct sample rate. If you still hear delay, update or reinstall your audio drivers. Restart the audio interface and Audacity, and retry the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.